Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Solana, Bitcoin, and where I think we could be headed here, because we're getting a very, very nice weekend pump right now. A long overdue move to the upside, and we're going to take a look at that. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video, guys. So, guys, first things first, over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me, 333 Black C. I say, what are the best projects / products on Solana? Because, guys, you know, we've been trading sideways for about 8 months now. And any blockchain where there's actually people still building on at this point, I want to learn about it. And I'll tell you what, Solana, the volume may have come down a little bit, but man, oh man, it is still a hustling and bustling ecosystem. And I always want to see new products. I've been in this cryptocurrency space for nearly a decade at this point, and I just want to see new products. I want to see innovative companies coming in and solving problems. So let me know in the comment section below or over on my crypto Twitter at 333 Black C. Let me know if there's any Solana projects I should be looking at. So let's take a look at Solana. So Solana right now is sitting at a nice $139, almost back above 140, which is very nice to see. Getting a little bit of some bullish momentum here on Bitcoin, bringing some of the altcoins up, which we'll take a look at shortly. Sitting at a nice $81.4 billion market cap. I like to see that. And we have a $1.6 billion 24-hour volume. Lots of volume. I love to see that. I'm very curious to see what the 24-hour volume looks like when we're sitting at over $100,000 Bitcoin, or who knows, next cycle from now, maybe over $1 million Bitcoin, what Solana will be trading at. Will Solana even still be around? In my opinion, it probably will be, and will probably be stronger than ever. But so Solana right now is right above a very, very, very key support level. You know, guys, we've been chopping around sideways for over 7 months, going on 8 months here. Almost halfway through September. September is usually a bearish month. But leading into October, usually Q4 is very bullish for crypto, especially in an election year, which we are in. So we are looking at this $122 price level. I honestly, this support should be dropped down just a little bit to about 117, about here. And, you know, because that was a very, very key support level. I did get stopped out on a decent amount of my Solana here, but I'm trying to accumulate more Solana. I believe Solana is the main character of this cycle. It has been one of my best performing trades by far. Got over 10x, 15x, and some of the Solana meme coins I've gotten over 100x this cycle so far, which is absolutely incredible. Very happy to see that perform that well. And I think that we're going to see more of that play out throughout the last big move to the upside that we see for this cycle for Bitcoin. But we want to see us holding above 117, and we are. Really, we're kind of just at the mercy of Bitcoin here. Let's be honest here, guys. That's really the truth of the matter. And I do think we're going to slowly start making our way back up to this moving average. I believe this is the 200-day moving average I have set here. We want to see a break above that, a break above 155, and I will say, okay, game's on. Altcoin season is coming, and we're going to see some nice moves for altcoins, and we're going to see some liquidity move out of Bitcoin dominance and into altcoins. And we will take a look at Bitcoin dominance as well. But so far right now, I've been saying, I've been really vocal on crypto Twitter saying Solana's the main character here. I hold a lot of Ethereum. I hold a lot of Solana. I hold a lot of other coins. But one of my biggest trades here is Solana and Ethereum. And I want to swap some of my Ethereum for Solana. I want more exposure to Solana. But man, I just can't find the appropriate swap. I can't find it. I mean, Solana versus Ethereum is just constantly making new all-time highs non-stop, guys. So I'm really waiting for a good entry for this to break down, to see Ethereum make its way back above 3,000 and Solana stay around 150. It might not happen. I honestly think I might miss out. I think I might FOMO into this trade. I might sell some of my Ethereum just to get some more exposure to Solana, because I am a big Solana bull. The community is so strong. The volume has flipped the 24-hour volume on Ethereum time and time again. Not every day, not all the time, but it is happening, and I do think it's going to be a reoccurring theme of seeing that play out. It's cheaper than Ethereum. It's faster than Ethereum. More people are building on it than Ethereum. Ethereum is a little bit of a safer play because of the market cap alone and its first mover's advantage when it comes to smart contracts. But, There was MySpace, and then there was Facebook. Just something to think about. And, you know, guys, I do think that we will see Solana perform very, very well against Ethereum this cycle. I think that Solana is going to continue to outperform Ethereum. It's just, I want to still believe that Ethereum will get a nice leg up against some of these altcoins before we start to see a mega face-ripping altcoin season happen, where then Solana overtakes Ethereum once again. Because I know it's going to happen. It's just a matter of time. As long as Bitcoin plays nice, we're going to see some big moves, guys. Guys, if you do want to take advantage of some fantastic free money in the description box below and the pinned comment, a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin and a $4,100 sign-in bonus to Femex. If you want to trade some of these altcoins, some of these meme coins, there's many meme coins you can leverage trade on Blowfin. They have a lot of liquidity in spot as well. You can check those links out down below. All you got to do is click those links, deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. You can leverage trade your favorite Solana meme coins. I know that sounds absolutely degen, but if you want to do that, you can. I would say please use very high level of risk management when you're doing that, unless you're doing it simply for fun and to gamble. That's my opinion on that. So let's take a look at the overall market and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is making a nice move back above $60,000. A nice weekend pump, seeing Bitcoin dominance rally a little bit, ever so slightly, but it's nothing really significant. I still think Bitcoin dominance is topped out until we break above previous highs or break below the local lows of about $52,000. I see some daily candle closures below 49. I know that sounds crazy, but if we see that, then I think Bitcoin dominance rallies significantly. Don't really think that happens here. I think Q4 is going to be bullish, guys. I think Solana is going to get a lot of love as we chop around here and we slowly make our way back up to the top of this channel at about $74,000 on Bitcoin. But Bitcoin dominance sitting at 56.5 when you exclude stablecoins, basically 58.6. You know, it's topped out. It's topped out in my opinion, and I've been calling for that for a while. I said after we broke 60%, I think we're going to break down below that until we fully get out of this chop zone. And until then, I think altcoins get a lot of love. I think that a lot of them have been beaten up to absolute oblivion across this chop, and I think that there's not much more selling unless Bitcoin decides to take a tumble. This tale as old as time. But Bitcoin right now, we're looking at a weekly wedge. I want it to look at not the weekly wedge. I want to look at the Bitcoin halvings here and look at Bitfinex. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, it kind of shows you a better picture of what I'm looking at here, guys. You know, you look at the weekly, we're in a broadening wedge. We're slowly making our way to the upside. The real question is, will this weekend pump hold? Let's keep our eyes on 62,000. That's what I want to hold above, especially 59,000 is a win, but 62,000 is really where we want to be closing above, about right here. Let's draw a little line for you guys. Right about in this area, we want to see a weekly candle closure above that for me to say, hey, I think we're headed to the top of this broadening wedge. And hey, I think that Solana's probably going to go to $175, $180 here in the short term. But until then, until we get those weekly confirmations, monthly confirmations, probably leading into the end of this year, in my opinion, I don't think much happens. I know you guys don't want to hear that, but I think this brutal, boring chop unfortunately continues, and people get chopped to death and panic sell their bags, get bored, need to use their money for bills. I think that plays out that way. But I do also think that when we do get this move to the upside, it is going to be violent. It's going to catch a lot of people off guard, guys. So please keep that noted in the back of your mind. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Are you prepared for a $180 and a $200 plus Solana here in the next couple months, let's say November? I know I am. I'm ready to make that trade, sell some of my Ethereum for Solana. Not financial advice. I just put my money where my mouth is, and that's what I'm personally trying to do. Maybe it'll be a bad trade. Maybe Ethereum is going to absolutely moon and go to $10,000 while Solana trades at $150. Kind of doubt that will happen, though. But yeah, let me know in the comments section below. What do you guys think about it? Do you think Solana is going to make new all-time highs before 2025, Jan 1? I'm curious. That's all I got. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the next one. Subscribe to the next one. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.